A department manager has submitted a request to implement AI-powered productivity monitoring software for his hybrid team.
But several employees have privately called it digital surveillance, and HR must navigate this ethical minefield.
So, Mark oversees a 15-person team split between remote and in-office workers. The requested software would track keyboard and mouse activity, take periodic screenshots, and generate productivity scores for each employee.
It's designed to provide detailed insights into how employees spend their work time throughout the day.
Mark justifies the request by saying it's necessary to ensure equitable performance standards between remote and in-office staff.
He also wants to identify workflow bottlenecks and improve overall team productivity.
However, several team members have discreetly approached HR expressing significant anxiety about the proposed monitoring.
They're worried that this level of surveillance will erode the trust they currently have with their manager.
The company has a general acceptable use policy for technology, but no specific guidelines on employee monitoring software.
This policy gap leaves HR without clear precedent for handling such requests.
The first tempting response is to approve the software on the condition that HR first drafts a detailed monitoring policy.
But this is a sequencing error that accepts an invasive tool without first exploring less intrusive alternatives.
The second trap is to immediately deny the request, explaining that monitoring violates privacy and creates legal liability.
This adversarial approach damages the partnership with the manager and fails to address his legitimate business concerns.
The third pitfall is to tell concerned employees that company policy allows monitoring and they should speak with their manager.
This response abdicates HR's responsibility to act as an ethical agent and protect employee interests.
The strategic approach is to advise the manager to pause implementation and propose a collaborative process.
This starts with consulting legal and IT to assess risks before making any technology decisions.
Then facilitated dialogue between the manager and his team to define transparent, mutually agreed upon productivity metrics.
This collaborative approach addresses business needs while respecting employee privacy and maintaining trust.
The decision principle is clear. When productivity tools threaten psychological safety, slow down the decision process.
Ensure that ethical principles and stakeholder collaboration govern the choice, not just immediate pressure or convenience.